When it comes to camping, the right camping gadgets can make the difference between a stressful trip and a truly enjoyable adventure. From compact tools that save space to smart gear that adds comfort, I've rounded up 7 of the best camping gadgets you can find on Amazon. Each one offers something unique to make your outdoor experience smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. So, let's dive right into the list. Number 1. ETENWOLF AIR 3 Air Pump. If you've ever struggled with inflating air mattresses or camping pillows, the ETENWOLF AIR 3 is a game changer. Weighing only 145 grams, this compact pump is lightweight and easy to carry in any camping bag. What makes this gadget even more versatile is its built-in 2,600 mAh rechargeable battery, which fully charges in just about an hour. Once charged, it doubles as a camping lantern, offering up to 40 hours of light with adjustable brightness levels at 60 and 600 lumens. The maximum pressure of 0.65 psi is ideal for camping inflatables, though it's not suitable for SUP boards, tires, or sports balls. With its dual functionality as both an air pump and a long-lasting tent light, this is a practical gadget that saves space while covering 2 essential camping needs. Number 2. Etekcity Camping Lantern. Good lighting is one of the most important things when you're out in the wild, and the Etekcity Camping Lantern is built to deliver. This lightweight lantern uses 30 LED bulbs to provide up to 154 lumens of brightness, giving you 360 degrees illumination that's perfect for lighting up your campsite, tent, or pathways at night. Powered by 3 AA batteries, it can run for up to 50 hours, which is plenty for multiple camping trips without frequent replacements. The lantern itself is compact and weighs just 0.67 pounds, making it easy to pack and carry. With a durable design and a simple pull-to-turn-on feature, this is a reliable light source for both emergency situations and everyday camping use. Number 3. Orga'Neat Pocket Blanket. When you're out exploring, having a comfortable spot to sit or relax can make all the difference, and that's where the Orga'Neat Pocket Blanket comes in. Measuring 55 by 60 inches, this polyester blanket is lightweight, compact, and folds down small enough to fit in your pocket or backpack. It's designed to be sandproof, tear-resistant, and water-resistant, which means you can use it on the beach, at the park, or even on damp ground without worrying about ruining it. At just 4.6 ounces, it's one of those items you won't even notice carrying until you need it. If you're resting at the campsite, enjoying a picnic, or watching the stars, this blanket adds comfort without taking up extra space in your gear. Number 4. UNIHAND Electric Hand Warmer. Cold hands can make any camping trip uncomfortable, but the UNIHAND Electric Hand Warmer is designed to fix that. Built with a sturdy aluminum body, this rechargeable device features a powerful 6,000 mAh battery that fully charges in about 4 hours. Once ready, it delivers a 360-degree heating experience with adjustable temperatures ranging from 95 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not just about warmth, safety is a big priority here. This hand warmer comes with multiple protection systems, including safeguards against overheating, overcharging, overcurrent, and overvoltage. Lightweight at only 0.2 kilograms and backed by a 2-year warranty. It's a handy gadget for campers who want reliable comfort during cold nights. Number 5. BRITA Water Filter Bottle. Clean drinking water is a must outdoors, and the BRITA water filter bottle makes it easy to stay hydrated without worrying about quality. With a 769 milliliter capacity, this BPA-free plastic bottle is reusable, dishwasher safe, and leak-proof, making it both eco-friendly and convenient for camping trips. It features a built-in filter that reduces chlorine taste and odor, ensuring that your water is fresh and clean wherever you go. The insulated design helps keep drinks cool, while the straw makes sipping easy on the move. At just under half a pound in weight, it's light enough to carry all day. This bottle is a simple but essential gadget that combines portability, safety, and sustainability for outdoor adventures. Number 6. Mregb Solar Charger Power Bank. Powering your devices off-grid is always a challenge, but the Mregb Solar Charger Power Bank makes it simple. With a massive 42,800 mAh battery capacity, this portable charger can keep your phones, tablets, and other devices powered for days. It features 2 USB output ports and supports QC 3.0 fast charging, so you can recharge devices quickly when you need them most. Built tough with ABS material, it's resistant to chemicals, heat, water, dust, and even drops, perfect for rugged outdoor use. Plus, it comes with LED indicator lights and a built-in flashlight, making it a multi-purpose gadget for camping and emergencies. Whether you're hiking, camping, or dealing with unexpected power outages, this solar charger is a reliable backup to keep you connected. Number 7. STANLEY Coffee Brewer. For coffee lovers, mornings at the campsite just got better with the STANLEY Coffee Brewer. This compact French press-style coffee maker is simple to use and delivers rich, flavorful coffee in the outdoors. With a 32 fluid ounce capacity, it's great for sharing, and its manual design means you don't need electricity to enjoy a fresh brew. Weighing just 14.88 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to pack. Plus, the durable STANLEY construction ensures it can handle life on the go. If you can't imagine starting your day without coffee, this gadget brings a touch of comfort to your outdoor routine. And that wraps up my list of the 7 best camping gadgets on Amazon. If any of these caught your attention, I've added the links in the description so you can check them out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more camping and outdoor gear recommendations.